We're going to get these 2 screws out to remove this cover to access ignition coil 1. Okay, so look what we found. We got oil on the top of the engine. Let's see if it's oil on this coil. All right, check it out. Just like we thought, we got oil on top of the spark plugs leaking from top of the engine. So where did the oil come from? It obviously didn't get spilled coming down the cap because we have oil here. It did not come from these seals here because you'll have oil coming down here. You come over to the breather hose, it's not wet there, no oil came from there. Here's where the oil came from. This is another product knowledge thing. These bolts right here are leaking. We need to thread seal these bolts here. Oil's leaking from here and it's coming out, and that's why we get this oil. All right, pretty simple thread seal and thread seal the bolts.